Erlang has map, and map is a compound data type with key value associations. It's kind of like a dictionary in map, and you can have like any type of data in map as a key or value. So the way you write or initiate a map in Erlang is this: a pound and then the curly brace, and then you have key. Let's say I have key 1, so I'm just using an atom as a key and a value. For now I'm just going to use a number 1 2 3 and a comma, and then key 2. I'm gonna use another number 3 4 5, and here is a map. And in the map we can change key, we can also put a new key. Let's put the map in a variable so we can use that map later. A map. If we want to add a new key to this map, what you can do, a map, and there's pound sign and the new key. So new key. For this I'm just gonna use a string hello. So this will give me a new instance of map, and we can also update it. So this a map is still the same, it hasn't been changed, it's just given us a new map because it's immutable, so it's still gonna be the same value. If we need to use the later map, then we have to have like a new variable to use that. To update a key, so let's say I want to update this key 1 2 3 to 5 6 7. To do that, almost like adding a new key, but instead of this equal and greater sign, what we have to use a colon and then equal. So this will update key. The key I want to change is key 1, and this will be 4 5 6. So I have a new map with 4 5 6 in key 1. Also, to get a value from the map is maps get, and the reference of the map, so a map, and the key. So key 1 not working. I think it should be like key should go first, and then the reference of a map. Also, in the later release there may be gonna be have like a better option. We can just get the key using this way, so a map pound and then the key, but it's not gonna work now. So the version I'm using right now is 21.2. Maybe in the next release we'll get lucky and can have these options. Okay, so next data type we can learn is list. So the list is very important data type in many functional languages, and it's also very important in Erlang. And just like atom and map, a list can contain anything. So the way we can initiate a new list is like a square bracket, and then you put element in there, any type of element, 10.2 a atom. And this is a list. In list we can append or remove items. If we use plus, this will add a new item to the list. So if I have a list with element 1 2 3, and I want to append that with 4 and 5, then I have to do this. So 1 2 3 plus 4 5 and dot, and that will give me a new list 1 2 3 4 5. How about if I want to remove an item or maybe multiple items? Then the way to do is minus, and if I want to remove 2 and 3, then I can write 2 3, then I'll have a new list with just 1 in there. Also, we can get the first item in list. So if I have list 1 2 3 4, so L is the new list and I want the first item, then there is a sign I can use, so head and the rest, or you can say it like tail. I'm going to say it head of 2 for L. So head will be the first item of the list. Also, we can put a new item in a list in the same way. So in the list, if I want to put 10 before my list L, so I have a new list with a new item in 10. So when we are talking about list, we can talk about a string. We already see how we actually add a string in here. We can use the double quote, and then this will give me a string. But the string is not really data type in Erlang. It's just a list with character as an element. To give you an example, if I write a list with this value 97, 98, 99 and 100, then it will give me ABCD. But how about if I put a number after it? Then it's not a string anymore. So Erlang will print a list of number as number only when at least one of them could not be represented as a letter. And this is one of the most hated things in Erlang, as there is no real type of string in Erlang. People face problems because of this. But there are other better ways to write a string in Erlang, which we will talk about later. Thank you everyone.